Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. In today's lecture, we are going to start the new theorem, theorem of areas of similar triangle. Theorem of areas of similar triangle. So we have studied ratio of areas of triangle first. Like ratio of areas of two triangle is proportional to the product of base and height. But here we have to study areas of similar triangle. This is the slight changes between the theorem. Don't be confused. This theorem is belongs to the similar triangle, and that property is just only the areas ratio of areas of two triangles. The statement of this theorem: when two triangles are similar, that means here two triangles are similar. When two triangles are similar, the ratio of areas of those triangles, that means when the two triangles are similar, then the ratio of areas of those two similar triangles is equal to, or we can say that proportional to the ratio of the square of their corresponding side. That is, ratio of areas of those two similar triangle is equal to or proportional to the square of corresponding side. So corresponding side here AB, PQ, BC, QR, AC, PR. Okay, these are the corresponding sides. So as per this statement, I draw here two similar triangle. One is triangle ABC and one is triangle PQR. In triangle ABC, AD is perpendicular to BC, and in triangle PQR, PS is perpendicular to QR. Okay, so start your theorem. First write given. Now given here triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Okay, and AD perpendicular to BC, and here PS perpendicular to QR. Now to prove, what we have to prove? Ratio of areas of these two similar triangle, that means area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding side. So first corresponding side AB upon PQ. So AB square upon PQ square. Okay, the ratio of areas of two triangle is equal to the ratio of areas of two similar triangle is equal to the ratio of the square of their corresponding side. That means square, you have to write the square on corresponding side. The first corresponding side. Next is BC square upon QR square, and next is AC square upon PR square. This you have to prove. Now given is two similar triangles. Okay, and you have to prove the ratio of areas of these two similar triangles is equal to the square of corresponding sides. There is no need to prove all three corresponding sides. Just prove any one. If you prove any one corresponding side, then it automatically other are equal. Now let's start your proof. First of all, the given is two triangles are similar. In exercise 1.3, we have discussed if two triangles are similar, then their corresponding sides are in proportion. So apply that property. Triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. If triangles are similar, then corresponding sides are in proportion. Write the corresponding side. AB upon PQ equal to BC upon QR equal to AC upon PR. Corresponding sides of similar triangle. Give it number 1. The first part, that is given these two triangles are similar. If the triangles are similar, then corresponding sides are in proportion. Now the next thing, ratio of areas of two triangles. So area of triangle ABC, area of triangle PQR. So we have discussed ratio of areas of two triangle is proportional to the product of base and height. So apply area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. Ratio of areas of two triangle is equal to the product of base and height. So BC into AD. For this triangle, base is BC, height is AD. Now for triangle PQR, base is QR, height is PS. Give it number 2, and the reason is ratio of areas of triangle. Ratio of areas of two triangles. Give it number 2. Okay. Now observe here 1 and 2. BC into AD, QR into PS. If you replace AD with BC, then it becomes BC square. If you replace PS with QR, then it becomes QR square. That means you can prove your that this corresponding side BC square upon QR square. Okay, that means we have to replace AD and PS with BC and QR. Okay, to replace AD and PS, I suppose these two triangles, that means triangle ADB and triangle PS. Let's start in triangle ADB and triangle PSQ. Okay, in triangle ADB and PSQ, angle B is congruent to angle Q. Why? Because these two are the angles of similar triangle. These two triangles are already similar. So angle of similar triangle are also congruent. So angle B is congruent to angle Q. Okay. Angles of similar triangles. Okay. Now the next angle D, ADB and angle S here 90 degree. So angle D is congruent to angle S, both 90 degree. Okay. So therefore triangle ADB and PSQ are similar by AA test of similarity. So therefore triangle ADB similar to triangle PSQ by AA test. By AA test, these two triangles are similar. If these two triangles are similar, then corresponding sides are in proportion. Write their corresponding side. AD upon PS first second, then BD upon SQ second third, AB upon PQ first third. Corresponding sides of similar triangle. Give it number 3. Okay. Now observe 1, 2 and 3. AD upon PS is equal to AB upon PQ and AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. Yes. So from 1, 2 and 3, AD upon PS you can replace with BC upon QR. Again observe, AD upon PS is equal to AB upon PQ. And see it in number 1, AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. So you can replace AD upon PS with BC upon QR. So observe from 1, 2 and 3. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC into BC. You can replace AD with BC and QR into QR. So you get BC square upon QR square. So therefore ratio of area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to BC square upon QR square. Here we prove your theorem, that is ratio of area of two triangle is ratio of area of similar triangle is proportional to the square of corresponding side. So all these three ratios are equal. So you can write area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to AB. All three corresponding sides are equal. So it may be AB square upon PQ square. It may be BC square upon QR square. It may be AC square upon PR square. So here we prove your theorem. That is theorem of areas of similar triangles. Again I am repeating. Theorem of areas of similar triangle when two triangles are similar. That means here in this theorem the triangles are already similar. When two triangles are similar, then ratio of areas of those triangles, that means ratio of areas of similar triangle is equal to the ratio of square of corresponding side. Ratio of areas of similar triangle is equal to the ratio of square of corresponding side. So corresponding side AB, PQ, AC, PR, BC and QR. So as per this statement, I draw the figure here. Then the given is just given these two triangles are similar. And in first triangle AD is perpendicular to BC and in second triangle PS is perpendicular to QR. Now you have to prove area of this ratio of areas of these two similar triangle is equal to or proportional to the square of corresponding side. So first corresponding side AB square PQ square, second BC square upon QR square, AC square upon PR square. Now let's start your proof. The first proof I have written here, these two triangles are similar. If the triangles are similar, then corresponding sides are in proportion. Give it number 1. Now the second is areas of similar triangle. We need areas. So areas of two triangle is proportional to the product of base and height that we have discussed the first property. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR BC into AD, that is base into height, QR into APS, base into height. Here we observe we have to replace AD and PS with BC and QR. So to replace AD and PS with BC and QR, I suppose these two triangles and try to make similar these two triangles. So I consider here triangle ADB and triangle PSQ. In triangle ADB and PSQ, angle B is congruent to angle Q because angles of similar triangle. Now D and S are the 90 degrees, so they are also equal or congruent. So therefore these two triangles are similar by a test of similarity. If the triangles are similar, then corresponding sides are in proportion. So this is your number 3rd. So in first, second, third, observe first, second and third. You have to replace AD upon PS with BC and QR. Then see here AD upon PS is equal to AB upon PQ and AB upon PQ is equal to BC upon QR. So that means you can replace here AD upon PS with BC upon QR. I replace here from 1 to 3. Area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR, BC into BC, QR into QR. That means BC square upon QR square. So similarly, area of triangle ABC may be equal to AB square upon PQ square, BC square upon QR square, AC upon PR square. That means ratio of areas of two similar triangle is proportional to the square of corresponding side. This is your theorem. And exercise 1.4 based on this theorem. Let's start practice set 1.4 based on ratio of areas of similar triangle. Okay. First question, ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangle. That is ratio of corresponding sides, side 1 upon side 2 is given 3 upon 5. Then find the ratio of their areas. So triangle name is not there. So you can suppose the triangle name. So I suppose the triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. Okay. Just now we have discussed if the triangles are similar, then the ratio of areas of similar triangle is proportional to the square of corresponding side. So therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to side 1 square upon side 2 square. This theorem we have studied now. Ratio of areas of similar triangle. Property name is ratio of areas of similar triangle. Similar triangles. Okay. Now substitute the values. Side 1 upon side 2 ratio is given 3 upon 5. So 3 square upon 5 square. Ratio of area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to 3 square upon 5 square. So therefore area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR is equal to 3 square 9, 5 square 25. This is your answer. Corresponding side ratio is given to you 3:5 and you have to find the ratio of their areas. So ratio of their areas is 9 upon 25, or you can write area of triangle ABC is to area of triangle PQR is equal to 9:25. So ratio of areas of these two triangles is equal to 9:25. Again I am repeating. Here the question is the ratio of corresponding sides of similar triangle is given. That is the ratio of side 1 upon side 2 is given 3 upon 5. And you have to find the ratio of their areas. Okay. So triangle name is not there in question. So I suppose the triangles may be ABC and PQR. Triangles are already similar. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. The triangles are similar when the ratio of their areas is equal to or proportional to the square of corresponding side. So square of side 1 upon square of side 2. Substitute the value 3 square upon 5 square, 9 upon 25. So the answer is 9:25. Now the next question is activity type. Activity type question, just you have to fill in the blanks. Now here triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. That means ABC and PQR are the similar triangle, and the ratio of side AB is to PQ is given to you 2:3. Fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. This is the activity type of question. You have to just fill the boxes. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. The triangles are similar. Then the ratio of areas is equal to the square of corresponding side. So AB square upon PQ square. Now value substitution 2 square upon 3 square, that is 4 upon 9. This is question number 2. That's the activity 1 marks question is. Now move to the question number 3. Again here triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. These two triangles are similar. Area of triangle ABC 80. Area of triangle PQR they have given 125, and you have to fill these boxes. Okay, so let's start here. Triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. Now see here, directly we can't fill the activity here. So first of all we solve, then we fill the activity here. So triangle ABC is similar to triangle PQR. If the triangles are similar, then the ratio of areas is proportional to the corresponding side. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. Now which corresponding side is required here? Taking AB and PQ. So it becomes AB square upon PQ square. This is the property theorem of ratios or area of similar triangle. Now substitute the value. Area of triangle ABC 80. Area of triangle PQR is 125 is equal to AB square upon PQ square. Okay. So therefore AB square upon PQ square is equal to 80 upon 125. 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25. 5 1s are 5, 5 6s are 30. Okay. So you get AB square upon PQ square is equal to 16 upon 25. That means AB upon PQ is equal to under root 16 upon 25. That means 4 upon 5. Okay. So your answer AB upon PQ is 4 upon 5. Okay. Next question number 4. The question number 4 is triangle LMN similar to triangle PQR. These two triangles are similar, and 9 time area of triangle PQR is equal to the 16 time area of triangle LMN. Okay. QR value is given to you 20, and you have to find the value of MN. Here two triangles are similar, and the areas 9 time area of first triangle is equal to 16 time area of second triangle, and the QR value, that means one corresponding side, is given to you 20, and you have to find the value of MN. So let's start your solution. Okay. First of all, area of triangle is given to you. Now take the ratio. 9 times of area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 times of area of triangle LMN. Okay. Form the ratio of areas of triangle. So 9 here in multiply, that side goes in divide. Area of triangle LMN here in multiply, here comes in divide. Okay. So therefore you get the ratio. Area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle LMN is equal to 16 here, 9 here in multiply, that side goes in divide. So you get the ratio of areas of these two triangles. Okay. Now the given is triangle PQR is similar to triangle LMN. This is given. Okay. So just now we have discussed, if the triangles are similar, then the ratio of areas of two triangles is proportional to the square of corresponding side. Which corresponding side? That required in question. In this question, the corresponding side required is QR at MN. So apply the theorem. Area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle LMN is equal to square of corresponding side. So QR square upon MN square. Okay. We have applied here theorem. Areas of similar triangle. Areas of similar triangles. Okay. Got it? Now areas of two triangle, areas of two similar triangle, ratio of areas of similar triangle is proportional to the square of corresponding side. Now substitute the value. We are having ratio of area 16 upon 9. Now substitute the value. 16 upon 9 is equal to QR square upon MN square. You are having the QR value, but don't substitute it just now. First of all, convert the square to the square root. Here QR and MN are square. Then square on the left hand side becomes square root. So therefore, QR upon MN is square root 16 upon 9. Square root of 16 is 4. Square root of 9 is 3. Okay. That means you get QR square upon Mn is equal to 4 upon 3. Now substitute the value of QR. QR value you are having 20. So 20 upon Mn is equal to 4 upon 3. Okay. Now cross multiply. 20 into 3. So 20 into 3 equal to 4 multiplied by Mn. Okay. So Mn is equal to 20 multiplied by 3 divided by 4. 4 ones are 4, 5s are. So therefore Mn value is 5 3s are 15. So you get Mn value 15. Got it? Again I am repeating. In this question there are two triangles that are similar, and 9 time area of triangle PQR is equal to 16 time of area of triangle LMN. Here we make the ratio of areas of two triangles. So therefore area of triangle PQR upon area of triangle LMN is equal to 16 upon 9. So these two triangles are similar, then the ratio of area of similar triangle is proportional to the square of corresponding side. This question requires corresponding side QR and Mn. So I use that corresponding side QR square upon Mn square. Okay, don't be confused. The first property, that means ratio of area of triangle, and this property, this theorem is ratio of area of similar triangle. Okay, ratio of area of similar triangle is proportional to the square of corresponding side. Now I substituted the value of ratio of area 16 upon 9. Okay, so therefore QR upon Mn is square, they get converted to the square root. So square root is 4 upon 3. So you get the value of QR upon Mn 4 upon 3. Okay. So therefore now substitute the value of QR. You are having 20. So 20 upon Mn is equal to 4 upon 3. Now cross multiply. 20 multiplied by 3. Mn multiplied by 4. Okay. Now 4 here in multiply. Here comes and divide. 4 ones are 4 5s are 5 3s are 15. You get Mn value is 15. This is your answer. Got it? This is your question number 4. Easy question. Same this type of question also there in solve example. Practice that question also. Now move to the question number 5. Question number 5 is areas of two similar triangles are 225 square centimeter and 18 square centimeter. That means two triangles that are similar and their areas, that means area of first triangle is 225 square centimeter and area of second triangle is 81 square centimeter. Okay, if the side of a smaller triangle is 12, then find the side of bigger triangle. That means out of two triangles, one triangle is smaller and one triangle is bigger. Okay, let's start your solution. In this question, triangle name is not given. So we suppose the two triangle, one is ABC and triangle PQR, they are similar. So triangle, let triangle ABC similar to triangle PQR. As the question said, out of this two triangle, one is smaller triangle. So I suppose triangle PQR is smaller triangle. So triangle PQR is smaller triangle. Okay. Triangle PQR is smaller triangle. Okay. Now they have given area of first triangle is 225. So area of triangle ABC is 225 square centimeter. And area of second triangle, so here second triangle is PQR. So PQR is 81 square centimeter. Okay. As the triangles are similar and the area is given, their areas are given to you, then you have to easily recall in your mind. We have to apply the theorem of ratio of areas of similar triangle. Now apply the theorem. So area of triangle ABC upon area of triangle PQR. Ratio of area of similar triangle is proportional to the square of corresponding side. So here triangle name is not there, so take any one corresponding side. So take AB square upon PQ square. Now write here ratio of, you can write areas of similar triangle. Areas of similar triangles. Now substitute the values. I write the reason here, areas of similar triangle, or you can write the theorem of areas of similar triangle. Now substitute the value. Area of triangle ABC we are having 225. Okay. Area of triangle PQR we are having 81. Okay. So 225 upon 81 is equal to AB square upon PQ square. Okay. So therefore AB upon PQ square root 225 upon 81. Okay. Now take the square root. So therefore AB upon PQ is equal to 225 square root is 15 and 81 square root is 9. Okay. Now next step is cross multiply. So 9AB is equal to 15 times of PQ. Okay. 9AB. Now substitute. No. Sorry. Now substitute the value. The value is given. The side of a smaller triangle is 12 centimeter and your triangle PQR is smaller. And the PQ is the side of smaller triangle. That means PQ value is 12. Now substitute the value of side of a smaller triangle. So therefore AB upon 12 is equal to 15 upon 9. Got it? I have substituted the value of PQ. That is the side of a smaller triangle is 12. So AB upon 12 is equal to 15 upon 9. Now cross multiply. 9 into AB is equal to 15 into 12. Now 9 here is multiply, that side goes in divide. So therefore AB is equal to 15 multiplied by 12 divided by 9. Okay. Now 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12. 3 1 is 3, 3 5 is 15. So AB is equal to 5 4 is 20. So you take the value of AB is 20 and AB is the side of bigger triangle. So your answer is the side of bigger triangle is 20 centimeter. So this is your answer. Question number 6 is homework for you. Practice that question. Easy question you can solve. Now let's move to the question number 7. Question number 7 given on page number 25. Open your textbook. This is the activity type of question. Already question is solved and you have to just fill the boxes. Okay. Now the question is, in figure segment PQ parallel to DE. Okay. That means these two lines are parallel. Okay. Now area of triangle PQF. This triangle, this smaller triangle area is given to you 20 and PF is 2 times DP. PF is 2 times double of DP. Then you have to find the area of quadrilateral DPQE. DPQE, that means you have to find the area of this quadrilateral. Okay. Now area of triangle PQF. Area of triangle PQF is given to you 20 unit and PF is twice of DP. PS is twice of DP. Let us assume DP value is x. If DP is x, then PF is 2x. If you substituted the DP value is x, then PF you get 2x. Okay. Now DF. DF is nothing but DP plus PF. DP plus PF. Now DP value you are having x and PF value you are having 2x. So x plus 2x is equal to 3x. Now in triangle FDE and triangle FPQ. Angle FDE, that means this angle is congruent to the angle corresponding angle. So angle D is corresponding to the angle P. So angle FD is corresponding angle to angle FPQ. Angle FPQ. Similarly, angle FED is corresponding to the angle FQP. Angle FQP. Got it? These are the corresponding angle. So angle D corresponds to angle P. Angle E corresponds to angle Q. These are the corresponding angle. So
By angle test, these two triangles are similar. Now we have studied if the triangles are similar, then the areas of ratio of areas of triangle is proportional to the square of corresponding side. Now the corresponding side is 3x square. The 3x value is df. So df square. Okay. 2x is value of pf. So df square upon pf square. Okay. Now the triangle FD, the sides of triangle FD is df and the side of triangle FPQ is pf. So df square upon pf square. Df value is 3x square and pf value is 2x square. X square get cancelled. 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4. Got it? Now, therefore, area of triangle FDE. Now, area of triangle FPQ here in divide, that side goes in multiply. So, area of triangle FDE is equal to 9 upon 4 area of triangle FPQ. Now, you are having the area of triangle FPQ value. Area of triangle FPQ. FPQ or PQF. Area of triangle FPQ or PQF is same. You are having the area of triangle FPQ value is 20. Now reduce is 4 ones are 4, 4 5s are 20. Then you get 9 5s are 45. Okay. Now you get area of triangle FD is 45 units. Square units. 45 square unit. Now to find the area of this quadrilateral, we have to subtract the area of bigger triangle to the area of smaller triangle. So area of triangle FDE, you are having 45 and area of triangle FPQ, you are having 20. Okay. So 45 minus 20, you get 15. So area of this quadrilateral DPQ is 15 square unit. Okay. Here we have completed your exercise 1.4 and also the lesson 1, that is similarity.